Hi everyone, Bharat here. Welcome to my channel, Trade with Bharat. Going forward, I'll be releasing series of videos related to stock market and how to trade in stock market. So here goes my first video related to types of participant in the stock market. So let us understand the main classification. The first one will be scalpers. Second one will be intraday traders. Third one is positional traders. Fifth one is swing traders. And last one, long-term investors. Okay, so let's understand who are scalpers. Scalpers, they enter and exit the market very quickly. They look for very small price movements. Example, if they enter at 100 rupees, they try to exit just with a 50 paisa profit or maybe 1 rupee. They are very particular to the price. So if they have to enter at 100, as per the calculation, they enter only at 100. If the price moves beyond that, usually they don't try to take the trade. They enter the market and exit the market many times in a day. So they might trade more than 10 times or maybe in 15 times. To do these trades, they use technical analysis to enter and exit the trade. So generally the time frame will be like 1 minute. Let us see the chart. So if you see it, like this is the 1 minute chart of Nifty. They try to enter the market very quickly and they exit. For maybe in Nifty, it might be like 5 rupees or maximum 10 rupees. Since they have a very big portion, they trade very for the small price moments. Okay, let's move on to intraday traders. They enter the market and exit the market on the same day. Whatever is the end of the day, they'll close the position. They'll not carry forward to the next day. They look for the intraday price movements basically, and they are not that much price sensitive as compared to the scalpers. Based on the market move, what they do is they enter the market maybe 2 times or 3 times they trade. To do these trades, they use technical analysis to enter and exit, either to keep the stop loss or to take the profits or book the losses. Generally, the time frame will be between 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Very few of them opt for 30 minutes time frame. Okay, so if you see this is the intraday traders. For intraday traders, I've taken a 5 minute chart. So based on this price movements, they might enter here once. They might enter over here once or here once. This is like in a second trade. Maybe here one trade, like if it is a breakout trade. So 3 times generally they can trade this market. Okay. So next, move on to the next slide. Positional traders. So these positional traders, like the trade will be between like from days to weeks, maybe 2 days to two weeks or 3 weeks, or maybe from weeks to like 2 months. Now, based on the market move, they move. That is basically these people follow trend, uh, and also they trade very less. It's not like very frequently they'll be trading. They take position and till the end of the trend, they keep it open. So when they feel that the trend is getting reversed, they close their position. And to do this, entry and exit will be based on technical analysis. And generally, the time frame which they opt will be like ranging from 1 day or maybe like 4 hours. So let us see the chart. So in the chart, if you see, if any trend positional traders, like if they enter over here, they try to hold the position till the end of the trade. Maybe they'll keep trailing stop loss here. Once if it had moved up, they would have kept here. Since market reversed over here the position would have been closed. So if you see, it again went up, again started coming down. So some people use SAR, SAR, stop and reverse. They can change their position from buy to sell over here. Once this particular position, this level is reached, they can enter to the sell side. Okay, so let's move on to next is like swing traders. In swing traders, generally the trading days will be from 1 day to it can go up to 5 days. This and they look for only the swing moments, like it's not too much of like holding for longer period of time. They enter at the highs or maybe at the lows of the swing, and they use technical analysis to enter and exit the trades. The time frame will be generally ranging from 30 minutes to 1 hour. So just to give an example, this is how the swing traders will enter is like if they uh, here, let us assume if they had, there was a resistance and it was not going up, when it started coming down, they might have entered somewhere here or here. They carry the position till this particular swing is there. So once this particular, they might keep the trailing stop loss here. If it has not gone up, then if it again starts coming down, they start moving their trailing stop loss. So if you observe, they might have kept the trailing stop loss once it had gone down, and again here. So once it had, if it had crossed up above here, they would have closed their position. Okay, so here also, like if you see, it made a low and it started coming up. So they might have entered over here. Again, they would have carried the position, till the trailing stop loss hit. So let us understand the next and the last type. It is long-term investors. Long-term investors are generally like the trading days, like on the holding portion of their stocks will be more than 1 year, and these people are very powerful people. They can move the market in any direction. Like if they start buying, they'll push it very, very higher, or if they start closing their position, the market starts falling down. They read a lot of balance sheets, profit and loss statement of the particular company, basically the fundamental details, and they take the position. So all their position will be based on the fundamental reason, and also like some combine the technical analysis to understand where they can enter and also to exit the market. And it is always said that always join hands with the long-term investors. Do not fight with them. If they start closing the position or if they're trying to enter long, the market will start moving in their direction, and it is not advisable for a short-term traders or maybe intraday, especially the intraday traders, to go against them. There's high probability chances that they start losing it. So it is always good to get in hands with the long-term investors. So just to give an example, I've taken HDFC Bank, 2016, 17, 18, like even if you see, it started rallying like. So it is always good to join hands with them and take position along with them to make good amount of money. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll be coming up more series of videos related to stock market. Probably next will be like understand how what is technical analysis, how it can be applied. So such videos will be released in a coming session. So if you like this video, hit like button and subscribe for such analysis or educational videos which I'll be releasing.